We go to preliminary details now on a report on the level of compliance at entertainment events held over the weekend. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie provided an update at yesterday's press briefing at Jamaica House. The government may have pulled the plug on entertainment events.
There is no approval for any events of any nature, whether big or small.
But the parties held during the Emancipation and Independence holidays continue to be a major talking point. Many of them mirrored what obtained pre-COVID. Hundreds of patrons crammed in open spaces after an over 1 year entertainment drought. This has not gone unnoticed by the authorities, who we're told are still finalizing their report. However, local government minister provided some insight on what was observed by the teams from the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management ODPEM and the Social Development Commission SDC over the period.
Based on the level of compliance that was observed at major events across the country over the last couple of days, the average rate of compliance is 59.3, which is considered to be average, fair.
The minister says there were some concerns.
There were areas where there were not any compliance at all, and that is the question of the mask wearing and the question of persons congregating in areas.
It's not clear when the full report will be made public, but after it's completed, then what?
We are using the findings of these evaluation that was done to ensure that we tighten the system if and when the measures are lifted. But I want to give the country the assurance, Prime Minister, that these events were not allowed to take place without monitoring, using the police, the Office of Disaster Preparedness, and the SDC right across the country.